In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update a person using Action Network in N8n. This is a quick and practical workflow step that lets you modify an existing person record inside your automation so you can keep your contact data clean and up to date without doing it manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. This is the workflow where you'll add the Action Network step, so make sure you're in the correct automation before making any changes. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel on the right side. This is where you can search for and add new nodes to your automation. From that panel, choose Action Network. You can either search for it directly or scroll until you find it, then click to add it to your workflow. After the Action Network node is added, go ahead and select Update a Person. This tells N8n that you want to modify an existing person record instead of creating a new one or using a different Action Network action. Now it's time to configure what you want to update. In the node settings, fill in the fields based on the person data you want to change. This could include the details you want to update in Action Network, depending on how your workflow is set up. Make sure the values are mapped correctly from your previous nodes if you're pulling in dynamic data, or enter fixed values if you want to update the same information every time. Once everything looks right, review your configuration carefully and save the node. At that point, your workflow is ready to update a person inside Action Network whenever it runs. And that's it. You've now set up an Update a Person action using Action Network in N8n. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple automation tutorials.